So many things in the world to learn about. So many things in the world to explore. Every new day becomes an adventure when you're eager and wanna know more.
When I've got a question, I've got the answer. Just tap on my screen and let's go.
There's so much out there that I wanna know. Together we'll discover, learn and grow. There's so much out there that I wanna know. Albert and Junior, together we'll discover, learn and grow.
Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one.
Oh, look at that bird!
Oh, hi, bird. Let's start again. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named... That bird keeps whistling and interrupting our song, Junior.
It doesn't mean to interrupt. It's just its way of saying something.
Really? Hey, that actually sounds kind of neat. I want to try whistling and saying things like a bird. Shh. Oh, I can't do it.
Don't worry. You'll get it with a little practice.
What is it trying to say? Why do birds sing anyway?
Ooh, what a great question! Why do birds sing, you ask? Answering that is not a difficult task. Bravissimo! You see, Albert, birds sing in order to communicate with each other. Singing, it's how they talk.
Wow, really? What do birds say to each other?
Well, lots of things. Sometimes birds sing to let their friends know that they found food.
Cool. Look at this apple. How about I let the bird know that I found it by whistling?
Don't worry, you'll get it eventually. In the meantime, want to hear why else birds sing?
Oh, yes.
Sometimes birds sing as a way to warn other birds to keep away from their nest.
Wow. Who knew that a bird's song has so much meaning? I've got to try whistling like a bird again.
Ooh, you're almost there. You'll get it. Just keep at it.
I'm not so sure, but I won't give up. Hey, are there any other things that make birds sing?
As a matter of fact, there is another thing. Sometimes a male bird will use singing to tell all female birds that he's looking for a girlfriend.
Oh! Wow! I never knew that birds had so much to talk about.
Pretty cool, huh?
You bet! I think I'll give whistling one more try.
Ooh, that's the spirit.
I did it!
I told you you'd get it. Great job.
Well, you did a great job teaching me all about why birds sing.
Hey, we're best friends. When we learn things together, the fun never ends.